I Love Our Earth by Bill Martin Jr. and Michael Sampson. Photographs by Dan Lipow. I love our Earth. Where green grasses ripple, and gray mountains rise. Where blue oceans curl, and brown deserts swirl. I love our Earth. For wet forests that drip, and dry winds that drift. For cool mosses that grow, and warm sunsets that glow. I love our Earth. When summer stars flicker, and autumn leaves flame. When winter flakes blow, and spring blossoms show. I love our Earth. There are so many things to love about our Earth. Big or small, humble or grand, there is always something to notice, enjoy, and appreciate about our shared home.
Hi boys and girls, families and friends. It's me, Mrs. Barnes, the Atellerista at Greendale Head Start, and I'm very excited about this week's Creative Arts video. It's all about our planet Earth. Look around outside and listen. See what you notice. What's your favorite thing?
I notice a beautiful flower right next to me. There are buds blooming on our newly planted pear tree. I wonder what's hanging from the tree over here. I know what I love most about our Earth is watching the children investigate and learn about their planet all around them. How can we show our love for the Earth? Have a happy Earth Day!
Hi everyone, it's Miss Jessica, and this week we're showing our appreciation for our planet, Earth. I decided to go on another hiking trail adventure and explore nature more. I found some blooming things and sprouting trees. And while I was walking, I heard something. And I wasn't sure what it was at first. But then I saw it. I think that this will be a very interesting place to sit and observe for a while, and maybe show my appreciation for Earth. I looked around for the perfect spot. I think I might try to draw a picture as the way to show my appreciation for Earth. The rocks in the water rushing down. It looks so neat. I really like this spot. I sat down and took out the materials that I brought with me, my notepad, pencil, and markers. And then I just looked. I observed. I listened. And the first thing I noticed was this tree. So I decided to start there. I'll make straight lines down for the bark. And then I can't forget that there was a branch sticking out of near the top. The next thing I notice is the shoreline where the land touches the water and these rocks. So I'll make those my shoreline, and then 1, 2, 3 big rocks on the shore. The next thing I notice is the opposite shoreline and the trees. A line across for my shore and lines down for my trees. I'm gonna make a lot of them. And finally, I can't forget about the water, the rushing water. How will I make it look like it's moving? Now that I've finished my drawing, I think I want to add some color to it with my markers. And for this part, I'm definitely going to use my creative license. What that means is that I can use whatever colors, shapes, or anything that I want that makes it creative to me and special for me that I like to use. So just because something is brown doesn't mean I have to make it brown. I could make it purple or pink if I wanted to. I might add a different color to that yellow after, but first I'm going to make my rocks. And I noticed that I missed the small rocks in the water, so I'm going to add those in. There we go. Now, I'm going to add all that moss that I saw all over the rocks, all that green moss. And then I'm going to add some green to the grass too, I think, the shoreline. There we go. I'm just going to add a little moss to those little small rocks, and then the water. I'm going to use this light blue, and I'm going to squiggle my lines around to try to make my water look like it's moving, because the water is moving. It's flowing down. I'll add a little darker blue. I like it. What do you think? Are there any places that you love to explore? Or ways that you use your creative license? Share your observations and ideas with your teachers. We can't wait to see your discoveries. See you next week.
Hi, boys and girls. This is Mrs. Lindberg and my dog Grover, and we are going to go on a nature collection. We're going to see how many pieces of nature we can collect of all different colors. So here we go. Come on. We found some yellow flowers. I'm going to take these and add them to my collection. So here are all the beautiful small pieces of nature that we found, Grover and I, when we were walking around through the grass and through the forest. I have an idea. Why don't we use our collections to make some beautiful pieces of art? We can start by making a mandala. Now, a mandala is a design that has repeating patterns in a circle. So I'm going to make a couple of mandalas, and I'll be right back to show you how they look. See you in a minute. Here's a mandala that I made on the back of a paper plate. Well, Grover and I would like to thank you for joining us for the nature walk and making those beautiful mandalas. Hope you have fun with that. Bye-bye. Say bye, Grover. Bye-bye.